The Maverick, I tear out him here this evening. And don't ask me which here. But seriously, when we got rid of Winfred Schaefer as the Reggae Boys coach, after the foreign born and based team got knocked out of the World Cup, I remember predicting that the JFF is now going to go to the other extreme by picking an all-local based squad. And when them start lose, we're going to hear say, you see it, the local baller them no good, and Ray and Tay. Well, after losing the Caribbean Cup final to Curaçao, like clockwork, the grumblings turn up. But yo, when are we going to stop going around in our circles with the football? How many times you hear the Maverick use the term finding the right balance and not swinging like a swing song from one extreme with all foreign, no local, to the other extreme with all local, no foreign? That kind of extremity is a proven recipe for disaster. A full squad of local-based players cannot come together as a unit and cannot gel as a team after 5 or 6 games. It's 4 years and over 100 games René Simões used to get that 1998 team to gel. With the changing dynamics of the football, we should have been systematically including 2 or 3 of our top young local players with the overseas-based players over time so that the young ballers can learn and develop around the senior pros. With that experience and exposure, we would have a better core of local players today instead of starting all over from scratch. I mean, I lie. Me a worry about the possible embarrassment with this predominantly local-based squad heading into the Gold Cup. Again, we need to find the right balance. This football thing, I want to lose here, man. Just back up, me tear on me. Me tear on me